In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to change the data source from a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. I have this pivot table created right here, and it currently has as data source the values from column A to column E from here. And recently I added this new column, but I don't have it in the pivot table. If I click on this and go to the field list, notice that there is no date field over there. So this means that I have to change my data source, and let's see how to do that. First thing that we have to do obviously is click on the pivot table to enable this analyze section right here, and over here from all these buttons we're going to pick the change data source one, and notice that this is going to open up the sheet where we have our data, and is going to highlight exactly where does our pivot table take its data from. Over here in the table range we can modify this, and instead of saying E101 we're going to make it say F101, and now the range, it is from A to F all the way down to 101. I'm going to hit OK, and now if I click on the field list again on my pivot table, notice that I have the date right here, and I'm able to use it in my calculations. I'm able to add it as a filter, for example, and just filter on a particular date. Now this is how you change the data source for a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.